Hello friends, my name is Jenish and I am in Food and Beverage Management in hotel and restaurant operation. Actually, I love to travel all over the world, and I am very kind to know the hospitality industry. If you are very interested in cooking and hospitality, this course will teach you very very deep things like how to handle the knife, how to operate the restaurant, what are the term and condition, that's everything. So the most interesting about the program is student only itself, they manage the kitchen and manage the Bloom restaurant in a Conestoga Waterloo campus. So the positive thing of my classroom is, positive environment of my classroom is our professor as a chef. They are very welcoming and they are always ready to help and ready to solve our queries. And our classmates are also very friendly and welcoming students. For me, the Conestoga is valuable for their upgraded classroom, mode of instruction, and how they teach us. That's the most important thing. Till now, I have learned about the hospitality and practical labs of the kitchen. In that, I have learned how to handle the knife skill, how to cut the different kind of vegetables. And in cost control, I have learned about how to make a dish with a perfect price and with market trends. So after graduating this program, I want to make my career in food and beverage management in hotel and restaurant operation. And if whatever I have learned, it will very helpful to me because I know how to manage the cost and what are the market trends. I am very proud of the Conestoga. I have met many persons of the different countries. I have learned different cultures. That's the main thing I have learned, and I'm very proud of the Conestoga.